Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Barbara D. I'm out here at Guarantee RV. Today what I'm going to show you is a wonderful family trailer. This is a Catalina, it's a Legacy Edition, and one of Coachmen's nicer trailers. Let me take you inside. First of all, I want to show you a couple things. This is an electric tongue jack, so it's easy to get up and off the ball. It's got two really large propane tanks underneath this cover that automatically switch over. If one runs out of fuel, it just switches right on over. You may have seen us, we were having a 30 for 30 sale, and this happens to be one of those vehicles being offered for $179 a month. So let's take a look inside and see what's behind the door. Right away, I'm going to show you that it's got a mass amount of storage. That's so important with the travel trailer, just a place to put things, take care of it. Nice wide door that you can get a lawn chair in. This is a beautiful awning that comes out over the doors. It also has an LED strip, which is super duper. And it's got a starlight package, so when you're out camping, it's got this beautiful blue LED lighting underneath it. Really looks sharp. But come on in. Check it out. This is super nice. This is a great trailer for a family. It's a nice trailer for a couple that are going to be in it for quite some time. But let's take a look at this. We've got a beautiful horseshoe dinette that will make into a bed for a tall person, maybe even two. We also have a sofa over here that's going to fold down into a nice bed also. You just take these cushions off. It's a tri-fold sofa. Super comfortable. It's about probably 6-inch thick memory foam. It has a private bedroom. This unit already has the TV in it, which is handy. You don't have to add anything to this unit. You can buy it, hook it up to your rig, and go camping. The TV, stereo, DVD, lots and lots and lots of storage. There's all this stuff up here. It's got a master bedroom. I'm just going to have the cameraman take a look in there real quick. There's storage on each side of the bed, above the bed, outlets on each side, and storage underneath as well. Cross ventilation. This trailer is heated just like your home is. It's on a standard register, and he can take a peek at that. You just set the temperature and walk away. If you want it to be nice and cool when you return, set it on the air conditioning. If you want it to be nice and warm when you return, turn on the heat. This is what's called a foil wrapped countertop. So notice there's no doweling here. It's all one solid piece. Super nice deep sinks with a cover, so you've got a little more counter space. This unit also has the oven, range top, and a microwave, and a fantastic Norcold refrigerator. I like Norcold because it's concave. When I stick my hand in here, it must be 70, 80 degrees outside, and this is really cold. Easy to get to, a recognized brand name, something that you can count on to last as long as this trailer does. We've also got some storage back here. So, one of the things that Coachmen does do is they offer the shelving. They put the shelving in when they're building it, and that's really handy for you, and probably a load off the handyman's list anyway. So as you see, you've got all this storage space here. We have this fantastic bunkhouse. So there's a curtain that will provide some privacy, but these are nice, wide, thick teddy bear cushions. Then you've got them on both sides here. This one down here also has a light, and it's nice that they provided a ladder. You know, a lot of times these particular bunkhouses don't add a ladder to them. We have storage underneath this dinette. There's more storage in here, a nice deck of drawers, and again I want to point out that Coachmen puts it together. These cabinets are deep, they're strong, and they're already got the shelves in them. Super handy. This unit would retail normally for $31,000 and change, but we do have it on our 30 for 30 sale. So we have marked it down substantially. It's looking at a $23,899 sale price. So that's quite a bit, and I think that we've seen the sticker out on the front of it. I'm going to take you outside, show you a couple more things, and I want you to come in and look at it. You got to come in and sit down on the bed. This is a beautiful bathroom. You've got a vanity here. You've got the nice sink, toilet, shower. Very convenient. Super nice to have a door when you're out camping, because you can have the kids or whoever it might be come in the back door, they can get rid of those shoes, they can get rid of their wet clothes, and come right out. I want to just do a quick walk around the trailer to show you what we're looking at here. So what we're looking at today is the Coachmen Catalina, spare tire, backup camera, fantastic awning on this side. The best service that you can do for yourself is to come out here and take a look at this rig. It's a super nice travel trailer. It has it all. Thank you so much. My name is Barbara D. You can call me and ask me any questions. I'm at 541-521-4232. I look forward to visiting with you. Thank you.